Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I do appreciate it. As you could see from the description, this is not going to be an unboxing. This is not going to be a review. This is actually just me talking to you guys for a few minutes and telling you some really awesome other YouTube channels to check out. There's a really good chance that you probably have watched one or all of these channels, but just in case, I did want to make this video and kind of give a little shout out to these amazing ladies. They all do the unboxings and reviews and different things like that. So if you enjoy my videos, you will absolutely enjoy theirs. They are also unique in their own little way, which I think is amazing. I will make sure to put a link to each one of their channels down below. And if you haven't, like I said, please go check them out, subscribe. You will absolutely love all of them. So we're just going to get started, and in no particular order, we are going to start with just Anne. If you guys have not checked out her channel, you absolutely have to. She is so amazing. Her personality is just out of this world. She's super sweet, and the way she does her videos, her positive energy, she is just such a joy to watch. So like I said, if you have not already watched her, you definitely need to head over and check her out. She does all of the unboxings and everything too, so definitely head over to check out Just Anne. And then we have Kitty's Boxes. I did just recently do like a collaboration video with her, so in case you missed that, I did want to add her in this list as well. She is just so sweet and so cute and just adorable. Her videos are so awesome. She, like I said, does tons of unboxings, and again, it's just something, her personality, you just, you really can't help but to like her, and her videos, she does an amazing job. And I really think, again, if you have not checked her out yet, if you enjoy my videos, you will enjoy hers. We also have Miss Georgia Sunshine with Miss Christy. She is, you guys, she is literally the epitome of a Georgia peach. I did a collaboration with her as well back in December. But you guys, she is just so stinking adorable and so funny, and just, I absolutely love watching her videos. So I wanted to recommend her. If you have not watched her channel yet, definitely head over and check it out. You will love her as well, I am sure. We also have Miss Bonnie with Queen of the Girl Geeks. She is just amazing. I love her videos. She does tons of the unboxings, but you guys, she also does amazing Bath and Body Work haul videos, Lush haul videos, and she even does like the demos, like showing you some of the bath bombs and things. Her channel is amazing. And again, her personality, you can't help but like her. She is just so sweet and down to earth, and just head over and check her out if you have not already. We also have Miss Abadabs. I am sure that if you watch my videos, you've probably seen hers, but if you have not, definitely check her out. Abby is absolutely hilarious. I do not think I have ever watched one of her videos and not laughed at some point. Her energy is infectious. She is just amazing. She does such a great job with her videos and her unboxings, and like I said, it's just something about her energy, and you just can't help but to smile and laugh. She is like, she's just a trip, y'all. She is hilarious. You've definitely got to check her out if you have not already. And then we have Miss Tracy from She Crafty. She also is hilarious. Her personality, she is just like, yes ma'am, yes. She does an amazing job with her videos. She is absolutely beautiful, and I have no doubt that you will fall in love with her channel as well. Like I said, she does the unboxings and everything, and she is just amazing, as are all of these ladies. And I think that it is super awesome that we have this little YouTube community. We have all of you amazing subscribers, but then we kind of, we're all kind of subscribed to each other, and we give, we talk, and it's just, I love, and I did talk about this in my live stream this past Monday. It's great to have this support from other YouTubers who are doing the exact same thing, but there's no competition here. We all support each other, which is amazing. Like I said, every single one of these women are absolutely wonderful and unique in their own way and everything, but we're all kind of doing the same thing, but you will absolutely love them all. I guarantee it. So like I said, I will make sure to put a link down below for all of their channels. Please head over, check them all out if you have not already, and make sure to subscribe to their channel and show them some support. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.